research sound where new sound is found. Where new sounds are found. Hello, Jello. Hello, Jello. Hello, I'm Dr. Sherman Herbert, and today we're going to be experimenting with green Jello in a prophylacticated microphone. This here is a Shure SM57 model, and we're going to go ahead and stick it right on into the Jello. We're just not even gonna, well, like so. Okay, then we'll give this a good record here and. I'll use my left hand, because that's clean. I'm gently massaging the Jello. There you have pretty good squishability here, and that kind of sums up our research, and we're going to be taking some notes on some of the data that we've collected. The Jello is definitely Jello, and there are some interesting noises we're capable of making here with green Jello. Typically red and orange Jello is rather unsquishy, but green Jello seems to really do the trick, particularly with a SM57 that appears to be the more effective means of recording a good squishing tone. We will post our notes in an extensive document.